To get started, you'll go to sites.google.com. Be sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. To sign in to your Gmail account, you'll click the icon in the top right corner and choose Sign In. When you're ready, you'll click the plus button. The first thing you'll do is title your site. Then you'll title your home page. The navigation menu that pops up above the text allows you to change the font, the size, and add other special features. We're going to change the type of image that's behind the text. Click Change Image. Choose Select Image. And we'll pick one from the gallery. That looks great. Now we're going to change the theme. Click on Themes. When you pick one, you'll have the option to change the colors and the type of font. Now we'll build pages. Click on Pages. Click the plus button at the bottom. I'm going to name this My Blogs. I'm going to add another page. My Story. If you click the triple dotty menu to the right of each page, you get some other options. You can make it your home page. You can duplicate the page. You can hide it from navigation. But let's look at the properties. This lets you rename the page if you decide you don't like it. And click Done. Now let's get to building on those pages. Click the Insert button. Make sure you've chosen the correct page that you want to work on. I'm going to work on My Blogs. Here are the 4 main features you'll use: text box, images, embed a code, or insert something from Google Drive. You can also choose a layout if you'd like. This does the hard work for you, but you don't have to use a layout. Let's say I want to add a text box. I can resize it. I can also move it around. There are other things you can add, but I'll let you figure out those on your own if you want to use them. The main things that you will need to use are these 4 items right here. Let's look at the menu at the top. This right here allows you to preview what your site will look like to a visitor. This button allows you to share your site with others if you want someone to help you with your site. Let's take a look at the Gear menu. This allows you to change how the navigation menu up here will look. Now it's at the side. You can add your logo or your favicon. You can change how viewers see your site. You can add a custom domain. A domain is simply a web address. But if you wanted it to be www.mindgardenmedia.com and you wanted people to type that in and get directly to your site, you would want to purchase a custom domain. Those cost from $10 to $20 a year. Analytics. This allows you to see how many people are looking at your site. And you can change your announcement banner. The announcement banner is this up here. It's what occurs at the top of a page. We're all done here. Let's look at this triple dotty menu. This allows you to see when edits were made. You can make a copy of the site, and you can do some other things that you probably won't need to do. When you're ready to share your site, you'll click Publish. As long as your web address is available, you'll get to keep the title of your site. but you might have to change that. Remember, a custom URL will require you to buy a domain name. You can request that the search engines do not display your site. That means people can't search for it and find it. You would have to share the link with them. When you're done, you'll click Publish. Once you've published, this button here will be active, and you can share that link with others so they can see your site. As you make changes in the future, you'll need to click the Publish button again so that your site is updated with current information. And that's all you need to know to get started creating your new Google site.